In this video, I show you how to mount a ladder on your ceiling. Hi, I'm AJ and you're watching Woodified. If you like to learn how to do stuff yourself, please subscribe and hit the bell notification button so you don't miss any of my videos. Let's get started. Lay the ladder on the floor directly below where you want to mount it. Then measure and mark on the ceiling where the center of the ladder will be once it's mounted on the ceiling. Use a stud finder to mark the location of your studs. Cut two pieces of 2x4. Mine are 24 inches in length, which is a little wider than the ladder itself. On these two 2x4s, mark the center of the 2x4s, then mark the center of the ladder. Mark the location of two ladder hooks on the 2x4s so they will hold the last ladder rung. Then mark the center of the 2x4 and pre-drill the holes. There is an Amazon link to the ladder hooks in the description below. Using the link will support my channel and it doesn't cost you anything extra. One end, the hooks hold the last rung of the ladder. On the opposite end, the hooks hold the side of the ladder. Mark the hook locations on the 2x4s and drill the pilot holes. Screw in the hooks, making sure that they both face the same direction. Here I'm marking the location of the screws that will hold the board with the hooks on the ceiling. I measured the locations because I want to make sure my screws hit the center of the studs in the ceiling. I double checked the stud locations, marking each edge of the stud. I used 3.5-inch screws, which are long enough to go through the 2x4, the drywall, and into the stud about 1.5 inches. Screw in one screw and then check the alignment of the board. I measured off the end wall. Once the board with the hooks is lined up where it needs to be, screw in the other screws and then repeat the steps at the other end. Mounting my extension ladder on the ceiling gets it up off the floor and it doesn't use up any valuable wall space. To hang the ladder on the hooks, place the last ladder rung on the hooks at the one end and lift the other end of the ladder up into place. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button or leave me a comment down below. See you in the next video.